creating the evidence to get the fractions questions correct in the exam. Okay, so even if you know no mental arithmetic, you should be able to do this if you know how to use your calculator correctly. So let's take two of the most difficult sums. If you did 5 and 3/8 minus 2 and 4/5. Okay, whatever you do, do not try and do the whole number bits and the fraction bits separately. The first thing to do is to convert the numbers into improper fractions. And if you don't know how to do that normally, then just use your calculator. The key thing is that you use the mixed number button here. Okay, so you have to go Shift there. Okay, and that's the only way to put in a mixed number. So I'm just typing in 3/8. I'm not doing the whole sum at once. I'm just creating the evidence to that. And you can see that's given me the improper fraction 43/8. I'm not doing the whole sum. I am just showing the working out. Okay, even if you know how to do this, you might feel that exams are tough enough and you might as well make life easy on yourself. So 2 and 4/5, 2 and 4/5. Okay, I'm not doing the whole sum. Okay, I'm just converting using the calculator to convert this into improper fractions. Okay, so now I've got 43/8. Now you know that you're supposed to use a common denominator, and the easiest way to do that without thinking is just to multiply the denominators together, and which in my case gives me 40. Again, if you don't want to do any thinking, just use your calculator. Multiply the two denominators together. So you can see that this one has been multiplied by 5, and so you need to do the same to the top. And I'm just going to go 43 times 5 on my calculator. And that gives me 215. Just about make that out, 215. And this one has been multiplied by 8, so I need to multiply that one by 8. So 14 times 8 on the calculator gives me 112. Now I've got 215 of this type of fraction, 112 of this one. I've got to take one from the other. So it's 215 minus 112. Notice I have done no mental arithmetic. Okay, I'm just using my calculator. 103. So this gives me 103 over 40. Now I'm supposed to represent this as, well, first of all I could cancel it down. So to cancel it down, again, not doing any mental work, I'm just going to use my calculator. So I've typed in 103 over 40, and that tells me that it doesn't cancel down. Okay, so the next thing to do then is to change it to a mixed number, and there's a button here, okay, which is the mix it into a mixed number. Okay, so not a decimal, mixed number. So Shift that button there, and I get 2 and 23/40. 2 and 23/40. So I'm presenting my answer as a mixed number. So I've written here another difficult sum. Again, if you've got mixed numbers, please, you've got to change them into improper fractions. And I've already done that using the calculator. Sorry about my writing, but that's supposed to be an 8, 38 over 15. So the key thing here is the phrase stick the first one, flip the second one, and multiply. So we're going to get 5 over 38 times 5. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, so it shows you how easy it is to do. Stick the first one, 38 over 5. Flip the second one, 7 over 18. Okay, stick the first one, flip the second one. And again, not using any mental arithmetic, I'm just going to go. Remember, multiplying fractions super easy. Just multiply the tops. Multiplying fractions is the easiest thing to do. 38 times 7. 266, and 5 times 18, if you do it on the calculator, it gives you 90. Then what we're going to do is cancel down, again, just using the calculator, type in 266, 90, and you can see it's done that for me, 266 over 90, it's 133 over 45, and then I'm going to convert it to a mixed number by going Shift that, and it gives me 243 over 45. Now I've done here two of the hardest questions you can get. But please don't remember the easy stuff, yeah? So don't overcomplicate it. 5 times 2 tenths. Yeah, you just multiply the tops and cancel down. And again, you can just put that in the calculator and it cancels it down for you. So multiplying is easy, just multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. Adding, subtracting, you need a common denominator. Okay, you do not need a common denominator when you're multiplying and dividing. When you're dividing, flip, and multiply. And don't make the mistake I did. Okay, be careful.